morning and we are about to get on a PJ, fly to Texas, go see a fashion show, go turn up with a bunch of influencers. Make sure to like and subscribe. Love you. Good morning, y'all. Ready to get on this jet? Ready to get on this jet? Are you ready to get on the jet?
Big flight.
Ready to get on the jet?
Oh, I'm ready. It's my first time going on the jet, look.
For real? First time?
Yeah. First time for everything.
Do it for the vlog. We're getting on that plane. What is this? Is that a goodie bag?
It's a goodie.
It's from Heather.
Oh my god, this is sick!
Yeah, Heather made it. Yeah, she's like an amazing artist. Where are we going right now?
Here we go. Cheers!
The man with the plane right there. Woo! Mr. Tony!
I love you. Duh. Right, so you texting. You can't text nobody.
You can be on your phone.
Got it.
Don't see nobody. This jacket is $25,000. My man got exclusive.
Exclusively!
Everyone, $25,000. Legends right here in the front are the ones that got us here, baby. The legends.
Shout out Heather Moulton and Tony Norman for making this all happen. He's right there. And Chris. Shout out Chris.
What's up, motherfuckers? Why are we landing in Texas right now?
To see my daughters.
That's right.
HeatherNormanArt.com.
Let's go right now. Where are we?
Texas!
We're in Texas? Let's go.
Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and to keep watching because next week I have a brand new video with the same people at the fashion show. And you won't believe what happens. Stay tuned and make sure to like and subscribe. #Slay, love you.